Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for all the people that have been subscribed on my channel. I believe I don't know why. I think more because my shorts that I put over there, and I think kind of. So this channel is what I'm doing, try to bring to you guys help to extra income. Of course, losing money is not my idea, and sometimes it's been difficult to predict the market. So kind of like it's, you don't have to follow me on my trades, but I believe if you decide to do, you might be able to eventually catch some money in some of the places that I've been doing it. So recently what I have is the one with profit, but it's already closed. I'm gonna show over here. Let me see if I can bring it back on the screen. It was Mara, M-A-R-A, very profitable play. I closed a little bit earlier, should have hold a little bit longer, but it was for today, the May 10 $20 put. So in this play, what I did, so I cannot see it from here, I just showed here at the top. Let me bring just that one for you guys. Let me take this out. So what I did here, I did a 20 put for the 17. All right, now it shows 17, but it showed the 10. So Mata made 10 long, $20 long put. I have if I was closing towards the end of the day, I would be 161% profit, $177.50 return, because I purchased this one for $110. So I sold for $140 earlier. I still make money. My play in this one was about 20 stocks, average $19, and I sold the stocks average $18, so losing $27 in the stock, but I profit $30 in a call and a put, so I got a net $3 profit in this trade. But I was on my work today, so I didn't see the charts, anything like that. Normally early in the morning, it didn't move as much that I thought it would be. Only moved like 4.5%, maybe 5%. I thought this would drop. Sometimes this dropped like 15-20% right at the get going. Actually took the whole day to drop 12%. So think sometimes if you're patient more than me, you're gonna make a lot of money, because the plays that I've been doing like lately, some of the plays pay towards the end of the day. So now let's go back to the active ones. So I got the Carvana for next week on my Weibo account. That it's the $80 long put for next week, the May 17th, still open. I opened this one on my work, but I thought it would be a good play, but at this point, I'm looking at the chart right here. It doesn't look like too good for me to make money on this. I pretty much need to wait the earnings, because I thought I would be able to close this before earnings, but as you can see, if I go to the earnings time, I'm gonna be I close like so I play was 270, and right now on Monday the 13th, if the price is still around here, it's I'm gonna be down $100. So, and for me to make money is more like towards the downside, which needs to be around the 5.5% down. Even if you go up, it needs to go up. I don't even. Yeah, see, even if you go up, as much. Well, if you go up, I'm seeing now. Sorry. If you go up, so the bat was 270. If you go plus or minus 6.5, normally Home Depot move it something around 6.5% after the earnings. So if you move up and down 6.5% after the earnings, I'm only gonna be profit, maybe not even that, because this is gonna be dropped somewhere right here. So it needs to drop somewhere around 7% for me to go on the downside to make money, because I'm gonna be like somewhere around here, 675. If you drop 7.5%. Now if you go up, I don't know, this is okay. The black is like pretty much just losing $20, because the black got me at 250. 200 if you didn't move at all, 250 if by closing. Are gonna be only losing $20. Now if you keep around this range, minus 0.07 all the way down to minus 6.2, then I'm zero. Okay, if I'm holding all the way towards the end, this max loss is 270. It's a preset loss of 270. So pretty much on the 14 is the earnings. The 15 had to wait, because before there, only if the stock is moving like 3.5, not even that. So like Monday needs to move somewhere around, let me see here. Yeah, 3% up, maybe. Then I probably decide to close. Or unless, so if go up a little, 48 still. Even if you go up 48% and then drop like 3% or maybe 2.5% on Monday, open like 2.5% down, and the IV go up to 48. So I'm gonna actually, if you go up to 48, I don't think it's gonna go that much. Let's say 44. So we're gonna be, if you drop like 3%, if you drop between 2.5 and 3%, we good. If the IV move a little bit higher on Monday, normally go higher. Home Depot, I don't think it's gonna go way higher, but normally go a little bit higher before earnings. Okay, so right now the IV, it's the implied volatility is 39%. Okay, 5% is not as much. So anyway, this is the only play on the Robinhood account that I have. I believe, yeah, that's the only play. I did the strangle in this way on eToro. Let's build. So I got a long call on SPY. So the SPY have like almost daily expiration, very volatile. So I got a big call here, 127, which I pay, I think $13. And I'm losing 5 already. I think that's how much I paid. Let me double check and see if that's the call. And 527, yeah, paid 13. Yeah, trading right now is 750. Monday, if not moving, if we move 1%, which is normally Monday, sometimes move that much. So I got $62. money back close to 1%. If we close that day and 1.4% up, then I'm good. Because I think what's moving over here, it's NVIDIA. So if NVIDIA move like 5%, 6% on Monday, even like on Tuesday, between Monday, Tuesday, this go close to somewhere around here, 527. Now I'm good. I don't think it's gonna go that high, but my goal, it's so I saved this one for NVIDIA movement. One thing for sure, if nothing happened on Monday, I believe the market, it's already set for the summer. Because normally I don't like to play in this. It's the 431, which I got for $12. Oh, let's switch to put. For 12. So losing. Now if NVIDIA go down also, this might revisit the 430s, which is, I think it's more, it dropped 2%. It dropped 2% before. So if it dropped 2% on Monday, I pretty much gonna be profit between 36 and $50. If it between Monday, Tuesday drop like 3%, 2 plus 1, 3%, and maybe you go back to 429, I'm gonna be somewhere around here between, see the jump between 2.5% to 3. It's kind of amazing. We got like $140 for 0.5% from 31 to 29. Amazing. This is a lot of money here. Anyway, Monday, Tuesday, I don't think this is gonna move more than 2% in 2 days, 3% in 2 days. If NVIDIA, because one thing about NVIDIA is like this. Today was the last day of the week and NVIDIA didn't move as much, you know. So what happened is, sorry, I got this one right here. Let me see here to bring this chart for you guys. Should have done this before. Let's see NVIDIA I have over here. So that's what I really don't like it. See it? If you take all my indicators out, and if we draw a line over here, two lines, I did that on Bitcoin. There's a very indecision here in the market. It's trading sideways. If you go that way next week inside this channel, that is because they don't know nothing about NVIDIA, what NVIDIA is going to come up with good or bad numbers if you trade inside this channel. So saying that, I would say that anything on the market is gonna be like, because the IV and everything get crushed, you're not gonna make any money. Just stay away from. I did it because it might something happen over the weekend, something like that, or sometimes Monday, if anything shakes out, we got a big decline or something like that, or big upwards. The bull think that NVIDIA is gonna come up with something good, something like that. So, and then the market is gonna go up. But if the next 2 days, like Monday, Tuesday, next week, NVIDIA, which is they saying is the larger, it's $2.25 trillion company. If it keeps trading inside this range, especially like if you go like over here, even like I'm gonna make a small line here. And like this one is the green one. So even if you trade inside this channel, it's going to be zero money next week. NVIDIA, if you trade in this one. This is in the day chart. So if you zoom in, like I don't believe it is, and the weekly dropping 13%, which is supposed to be a big like engulfing candle. It just reversed to up 15%, almost back to even 1% and less than 1. And the last 2 weeks, this is the weekly chart. NVIDIA trade at a 1.23%. Prior to that, we have 13 and 15. It dropped 13% and then went back to 15%, which is this 2 weeks right now, 1 and 1. I mean, NVIDIA traded 1% in a week. We don't. We saw this one 0.20, 2.6, 4.7. Prior to that, like 7%, 0.35, 6%, 4. Let's see. Got more draws in here. A lot of draws. Yeah. 8.5, 9, 8.5, 8.5, 11%. And the 500 is just crazy. This one I got a little bit from the 300s to 389 closing the week, but I hit this week. I think hit like 400, or the following week, 419. Yeah, but in the 380 I got pretty good because I got a 440 call. I purchased very little and I sold it pretty good. So guys, pretty much it. I come up with some other what can I say, broadcasting showing the CNBC, but the first one I was trying to bring my screen over here, so I didn't have. So this one I got everything. Just to do a recap on the option strat. This is easy to download and buy an account. It's pretty much easier. Save trades. So you still have the Carvana. We open for $10. And what else? Oh, I'm sorry. So we open Home Depot down 31%. I mean $31, 12%. 270 this one. QQQ 431. We got down 29%. 350 got for 12. And we have a call and a put. A put is on the Robinhood and a call it's on eToro. eToro, Robinhood, and this is a Weibo. Thank you for watching this video and see you guys next time.